your profile here. Tap on next. Completed. Okay, so we have here, it is good day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the Watch S10 smartwatch, and on our previous video we already paired it with its support app, the GloryFit app, on Android smartphone. On this video we are going to pair it with our iPhone or the iOS platform. So for those of you who are interested to get the Wafit Watch S10 and it is using an iPhone, watch this video so you will see if the wearable is compatible with the iOS platform or iPhone. And of course, support our channel. If you have some questions, drop a comment below, and like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair our Wafit Watch S10 with the GloryFit app on iOS platform. So we have here our iPhone. Let's open the App Store. Let's search for the GloryFit app. GloryFit app. So we have here the app. Then download the application. Let's wait for it to complete its download and it will automatically install it in our iPhone. So let's wait for the completion of download. GloryFit Health and Fitness. So health and fitness category, we have 3.6 rating. Okay, so the download is already complete. Let's open the app. Open the application GloryFit. So we have here our permission to open our Bluetooth. Just okay. Okay, settings, we'd like to use Bluetooth for connections. So let's set it. Alright, so we already activated it. I did not show it to you for security reason. Anyways, we already activated the Bluetooth connectivity. Then the GloryFit app is asking you to sign up or register your account. You can use your Apple account or Facebook. We have a Gmail here. No, but you can use your email here to register. In our case, this is just demo. We'll skip the registration. Agree. Then complete your profile here. Just tap on next. Completed. Okay, so we have here, it is asking for our location, allow once or allow using while using the app. We'll allow this one. Okay, so we are now on the dashboard of the GloryFit app. Let's pair our smartwatch. Tap on OK. We have here the device on the bottom part. Select this one. Then allow the permissions here for notifications. After that, tap on add new device. Select device. Although we already turned on our Bluetooth, we are going to activate it again to refresh. So we already set our Bluetooth again. Just tap on select device and it's now searching for our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here already the Wafit Watch S10. To pair, tap on the smartwatch here. It's now connecting. Let's see if we do have an acknowledgement here. If not, just continue. Check, and we are now connected to our smartwatch. The Wafit Watch S10 is now paired with our GloryFit application. So let's double check. Okay, pair for the Bluetooth, more settings, find device, and we have it here. We are now properly connected. Okay, so let's double check. We have the SMS here. Okay, activated. We have the app, Instagram, YouTube, We have the Facebook here and WhatsApp. So everything is set, including the permissions. More settings, time system, 12-hour format time, or you can just select the follow system. Next. And I guess that's it. Okay, everything phone. Okay, everything is activated. Bluetooth call. Enable Bluetooth call. We have some instructions here. Usually it's already activated when you pair your smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the pairing or the tutorial on how to connect your Wahfit Watch S10 with iOS platform or iPhone. So if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.